fucking dickhead, shut the fuck up.
She's backing you up, go on. She doesn't know it. You know, didn't you? You know as well, didn't you? Defend them. Go on. They're my pets.
But you know what, if you're talking about me, you can look at me in the eye. Fucking coward.
Pets! She knows it as well. Pets!
These people aren't doing something horrible.
No, oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Zoo!
Hey, get off the train. No one wants to hear this shit. No one. Not a single person on this train wants to hear that garbage coming out of your mouth.
Yes, you're fucking righteous.
Righteous, man. That's not.
So like,
You're disgusting.
yes, disgusting.
No one
Yes,
agrees with you.
please, you're
No one
please. Well, it was funny, wasn't it? Then, it still is funny.
It's not funny being racist. Yeah.
Yes, funny being racist.
You know what, you've had your 5 minutes in the
Popular
train, now
being
fuck
racist,
off
though,
and
innit?
get out the train.
Popular now, though, isn't it? It's only popular now. Hey, yeah, get it out now, go on.
Yeah, wow.
One, boys. Get it out, go on. Who's your fan?
Yo,
It's popular now.
get wild. Yo!
Please note that this train will not stop at the next station.
Popular now, isn't it? Popular. It's popular now. Come on. It's popular now. This is my home. You're all going back. You know it as well. You know we're going back. Go on. Keep going. I'm fucking breaking the internet. I'm popular.
What's your name?
You know what my name is?
What's your name?
Billy Still. What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Billy Still. What's your name? Tell me your name. No, you're black.
You're black, what does that mean?
Oh my god.
What's that got to do with it?
Yeah.
What does black have to do with anything? What does being black have to do with anything?
Shut up. This is popular.
What's
This
popular?
is popular.
Say you're crazy. You're a fucking lunatic and I can guarantee you're not 100%
Yes.
white. You are
Yes.
not white. You've come
Yes.
from somewhere
Yes.
else.
You're
Did
so
you
good.
realise that? Yes, I am
so
so good.
right.
Thank you for gassing
So
me up. Yes,
you
I
are
am.
so educated.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So are you. You're fucking Tory Roberts. You want to
So
be.
educated.
You fucking dickhead.
You're so
Fuck off.
educated.